Hey traders, John Howell here. Oh, is that thing probably or what? There we go. I think we're good to go. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the edition of Stairmaster Johnny. Stairmaster. I'll give you guys a bit of an update of what's going on right now in the market. Coming to you from the gym again right now. Boom. Boom. Getting all kinds of gains. All kinds of gains. Once again, guys, coming to you, keeping life balanced, and just finishing off now with a bit of cardio, treadmill, after this amazing morning. John Wayne. Is it the original John Wayne? If so, how you doing, sir? So, for you guys that are watching the live stream right now, I mean, born and raised. Anyway, so in this live stream, guys, if you guys don't like the whole Stairmaster thing, that's how I do my live streams. Sign off, don't even watch this. If you're watching the replay, this is what I'm doing. I'll give you guys an update. If you guys don't like it, then just don't watch. Simple. Because I have some people, oh, you in there? Anyway, so for you guys that do want to watch, I'm going to give you guys my update on what's up in the markets right now, and where are my thoughts, what am I trading, and all that sort of stuff. I'll tell you what I am trading. It's called all kinds of gains. What's up with silver and gold? Gonna. I'll get the silver and gold in just a minute. But yeah. So anyway, that's what I want to talk about in this session here today, guys. And for you guys that are watching the replay right now, guys, just remember, I do wait for a few people to start to log on. So it takes a few minutes for that to happen. Then I start with content. Don't like it, I don't care. That's just what I do. So, it's the best way I can do these live streams. So anyway, guys, 20 more seconds and I'll get into the market. And what I'm seeing right now, what am I doing personally, my own trading, and so on and so forth. Man, I'm puffing like hell right now. Stairmaster. Anyway, let's get into this, guys. Alright, so market update time. Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you you guys know what I mean, right? You guys get to see it live this time. Because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making in the market. Oh, by the way, click on that link to get to buy my shit. Oh wait, I have nothing for sale. You can't buy anything from me. I'm just shit stirring with you guys. Anyway, I'm running out of breath here doing this live stream for you. Anyway, so what I want to talk about, guys, is okay, let's start with the stock market first. Okay? Stock market update time. Guys, what's going on right now in the stock market is looking really scary. Okay, really scary. What I mean by that is this. I'm telling you right now, if we fail where we are right now, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P, if we fail where we are right now and we break below and then we get a close below that major support level, I forget the numbers on the indices, but you guys will be able to see it on the charts. Get ready for a big move down. That's all I'm saying. And it's going to be a big move down. It's going to be quick. So I don't know whether it's going to fail now. If it's going to fail at all, it may not fail. Okay? Fail simply means it simply pauses where we are right now and we start a dramatic turn. If we get that and we get a nice solid red candle closing below that support level, especially on the S&P, all indices for that matter, but the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, I'll tell you right now, the way that I'm reading these markets, guys, the way that I'm reading these charts, look out below, because that's a sign of the sellers really coming into the market, and they're going to hammer this thing down, and it's going to be a pretty quick, sharp drop down. That's the if scenario, right? The if this happens, then this is likely to happen. If we pause here right now where we are in the indices, and we fail, and we start to roll over to the downside, and the sellers coming in strong, I just all the sweat on my arms sounded like I was putting on a bit of fat there. Flap, flap, flap. So that's what's likely to happen, guys. Now, how fast the drop is going to be, how hard the drop's going to be, I don't know. But I would expect to see a pretty quick 10% drop in the markets over a few time frame. Maybe even 1 week. We might even see another big red 7% down day or something like 6 or 7% down day out of the markets. But that's the cue there, okay, guys? We've been holding these levels here right now in the stock market. But if we hold here and we continue to rally up strongly, well, that signal on the charts is gone, okay? I'm no longer getting a sign that we're going to see a big, strong sell-off really quickly. So that's what I'm seeing right now, guys. So I'm watching to see how this market's reacting right now. The S&P, the NASDAQ, and also the Dow Jones. Once again, I repeat, if we fail where we are right now in the indices, I'm talking about the indices right now, not the individual stocks. Individual stocks are likely to have a bit of a hit as well, but the individual stocks are likely to, the individual stocks, remember guys, all the stocks operate differently. So if the Dow Jones has a 2% down day, sorry, 6% down day, it doesn't mean all the other stocks are going to do that as well too. Make sense? So that's what you want to look at. But anyway, looking at the indexes, all right? You're looking at the indexes. Once again, guys, I know I'm repeating myself right now, but I make myself clear. If we hold and we get a strong buying move out of this on the indices, back up to the previous high, which was like only made about a week ago, the signal I'm getting from the charts is cancelled. If we hold here, meaning we hold where we are right now, and we start to roll over, it may start to go sideways for a few weeks and then drop, or may roll over pretty quickly. But if we do, then it's on like Donkey Kong for the indices, guys. So I won't get into the actual pattern itself and how I analyze that and so on and so forth. I did talk about that with my private clients today, and how to recognize these patterns in the markets and why certain things are happening right now, and how to capitalize on that too, based on what the market is doing and telling you right now. So again, I share a lot of this stuff with my private clients because it's all the powerful stuff that's going to help them move forward. So you know, and it's so interesting because I did one of the things that I shared with my private clients this week. I did a live coaching session with them this week as well, and I said to them all, listen, don't be trying to rush into anything right now, right? Don't be trying to rush into anything. Don't be trying to get anything, because a lot of things, I guarantee a lot of people who are trading these days are getting chopped up. It's the massive volatility, right? We're down, we're up, we're down, we're up. For me personally, I've been actually stepping back from the markets, short-term trades, meaning for a week to 2 week type trades. I do have a couple of longer term plays on, 3 month, 6 months. So that sort of stuff happening right now on individual stocks that I see that I like. But as for an individual trade, for what I call my momentum trade, I haven't had one in about a month now. And I'm so happy for that, because so many people who are trading right now are getting absolutely chewed up as I speak, and they're getting their heads handed to them. And my mentor said to me, he said, John, I am successful to this day. I am successful to this day. Not because of the trades that I take, because of the trades that I don't take. And you guys know that, right? You guys know that it's not the trade you take that's going to really make you as a trader. Obviously, it makes sense if you take trades, make a profit, and move forward. But you guys know it's the opposite, isn't it? If you can stop yourself from taking those bullshit trades, you're like 70% there already. Make sense? And that's what I really talk with my private clients. I really talk with them and help them that way as well too. You know, just helping them stay calm when there's not a lot of trades, not be stressing out, not be freaking out, and just to stay calm, because there's a lot of different trades that are coming up right now, and you've got to be ready for that. And that's the importance of having a coach there, that I find with my coach. And I've had a lot of feedback from my private clients as well, saying that they've really enjoyed it from that perspective of me being there every week coaching them. So that's what I see there right now. Oh, by the way, guys, I've had some emails asking me about my coaching program, which is a 12-month weekly coaching program, including my strategy that I trade. If you are interested in that, it's closed right now, but if you are interested in that, then just send me an email at howell, H-O-W-E-L-L, trader@gmail.com. I'll hop on the phone with you and I'll talk with you to see if you're a good fit for my 12-month coaching program. And if you are, then you'll be on the waiting list. If you're not, then yeah, you're not. Anyway, so it's silver and gold time. Let's get straight into it. What's going on with silver and gold right now? Oh, I'm so excited about silver and gold, I tell you. Only because I do see the next 2 years or so, we're likely to see a big in those markets. I'm not getting those signs yet right now. Again, guys, trading is all about responding to what the market is telling you, not predicting what you want the market to tell you. I'll say that again. Trading is all about responding to the market or what the market is telling you, not trying to predict what it's going to tell you. Again, I will say that one more time. I'm sweating like a bitchy, by the way. Trading is all about responding to what the market is telling you, what it's telling you right now. Okay? So when I say a trading setup, I'm responding because this is a good trading setup right now. I have no idea what's going to happen afterwards, whether my trading is going to set up run straight away or whether it's going to go sideways. Make sense? Let's talk about probability here. Trade what you see, not what you think, hope, or fear. So, trading is all about responding to what the market is telling you right now and not trying to predict what it's going to tell you. See the big differences there? And I just come up with that. Fucking proud of myself for that. And that's where, guys, trading is never about being right. And that's why I come back to silver and gold. People are trying to pick silver and gold right now. Especially silver. Like, silver's just been sideways for the last few weeks, few months. Of course it's been sideways. Make sense? Of course it's been sideways. Why has it been sideways? Well, we just had a pretty big move down, a few months ago. It needs a few months of sideways moving for a while to get its head sorted, to go for another run. Same with gold. Gold has not changed the overall trend. Look at that weekly chart. Strong down, weak up. Now, it may, right? It may be the start of something bigger in the markets. May be the word. Right now, if you're trying to get into the market right now, trying to buy gold because you think it's the bottom, guess what? You're trying to predict what the market is going to tell you, instead of responding to what the market is telling you. Make sense? So stop trying to get into the bottoms. Let the market unfold. Keep your powder dry. Stay calm and wait for those really good opportunities. Because I guarantee you, one of the reasons why a lot of traders suck at trading is because of the trades that they take. And they know that they're just trying to jump on anything that moves, trying to make a quick buck right now. And 6 months and 12 months later, you're like, man, I just wish I was back at break even now. Guys, I have the t-shirt for that so many times. So that's how I know how you feel. Make sense? So that's how I know how you feel, because it's all about not trying to get the bottom, wait for the market to turn around, and then capture the next big leg up, if that's what's going to be. Make sense? So let me get into some questions now. I am question. G'day, mate, from Silver. Mexico. Ghana, there you go. There's my silver and gold update for you, man. Uranium. I haven't actually seen what's happening with uranium, but I have heard that's going to be the next big thing out there. Uranium. Only because of what Tesla's doing with their batteries and all that kinds of stuff as well. So let me, hey John, trying to hold the yearly lows. Yeah, trying to, but sells right now are still in control. Yeah, indices that is, yep, so there we go. Ah, here you go. Are we still forming the left shoulder in the long term? The right, yeah, exactly, yeah. That's what we're still forming right now. It still hasn't changed, right? That weekly chart doesn't change in a, oh shit, in a day or a week, right? It's taken almost 12 months to form this pattern in the markets. It's going to take more than a week to change that pattern. Make sense? Productivity is not acting, it's knowing when not to act. Some quit some energy, built in silver, some move in near term. Is that you responding to what the market is telling you, the chart, or is that you trying to predict what you want the market to tell you? You just got to be honest with yourself. Professional traders respond to what the market tells them, not trying to predict. What do you think about Bitcoin right now? Michael, Bitcoin. To be honest, I have no idea what's going to happen right now with this. I had a really good strong signal that it was going to drop before. I shorted it, made some good coin out of it. I'm out of it now. It may keep falling, but we are in a big downward trend, so any rallies are likely to be sold into for the near future anyway. Until this whole thing completely turns around, then sellers keep knocking this down. They have done for many years, by the way. Oh, sorry, for years. Do you know you have basic do you need to have basic understanding of trading knowledge for the program? Like, you start teaching us basics, or is it geared more towards teaching just your strategy, etc.? Are you talking about my coaching program? By the way, that's closed right now, so you can't get into it. But again, if you want to apply to it, just go to that email. It'll be on the waiting list for it when I do open up. But my coaching program is all about this. My coaching program is all about teaching you exactly what you need to know and understand how to actually read the market. So I have a basic understanding of how to read the charts and so on and so forth. But my strategy, I wouldn't call it my strategy, it's all about teaching you exactly how to identify really good trading setups. And in your learning and understanding that trading system, you'll become a much better trader, because there's 4 steps. And each of those 4 steps is going to help you understand how to read the market properly, and so on and so forth. So by you understanding the trading system, you indirectly learn how to read the market properly. because part of the trading system is trading with who's in control, where is momentum, and all that sort of stuff. I have 4 major steps. So, but I also have a basic, you know, what is an up day, what is a down day, inside, outside day, basic chart reading strategies. But the majority part of it is you're learning a powerful system of how to read the markets and also trade the markets. And then the fact of the matter is when it comes to coaching, your first 2 or 3 months, you're going to suck big time. Doesn't matter whether I decide to work with you or not, you're going to suck. But it's through that time, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. It's just the way it's going to work. I'm not going to BS you here. It's through that 2 or 3 months of you understand this, trying to learn the system, not making a lot of mistakes. You're learning from your mistakes. You keep going. Having a coach that get you better and get you better, That's how you're gonna get ahead in any system out there. It's not about just giving up. So that's why I have an application process, because mine's like 12-month coaching program every single week. Because the first few months, it's gonna be hard for you. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But those who are willing to stick through that hard time have far better chance of getting ahead in the markets than most people. So I hope you can understand that. That's what my coaching program is all about. If you're looking for a quick buck right now, no, not for you. But if you're looking to be committed for 12 months and you understand that the only way for you to move forward is stick to a system and have someone who trades that system every day help you get better and better and better, then the coaching program may for you. And you may be on the waiting list for when I open it up next. If you were not trading, what job would you do? Well, I don't have any qualifications X200, so probably washing cars for a living, digging holes. You know, my background is landscape gardening. My background is washing cars for a living. It's only the last 15 years I've been involved with this industry that I've got to where I am today. So I know what it takes to go from not doing well to doing well, to blowing up a few $100,000 trading account, to making the progress you want. And that's what I take my coaching program, my private clients through. That's the only way for you to move forward, right? You know that. So thank God I had my coach there to get me back on track when I wanted to quit, because he's helped me. So I hope that makes sense. So as I said before, guys, my trades that I got on right now, I'm short the gold stocks, GDXJ actually in particular. Now that's a long-term trade. That's not what's happening the next few days or week. That's where we're going to be in 6 months time frame. And I'm still short 2 different stocks right now. As this market starts to unfold, I'm still too short listings. So they're more of the longer term plays for my trading opportunities. I haven't had a lot this month, but that's okay, because I know I'm far ahead. I know just by me just sitting patient waiting for those good setups, I'm so much further ahead than most people just try dropping anything that moves. And that's what trading is about, right? You know yourself. Over trading just comes down from impatience of trying to wait for that good setup. But you know that works. And so with my coaching program, I'm like, get back on track. Verbally, that is, anyway. You ask some of my coaching clients, if you're interested in joining my coaching program, and stop with the faint-hearted, by the way. I'm not here to be very nice and funny with you. I'm like, what are you doing, man? Seriously. You want to do well? This or what? That's the type of coach I am. It's not just I'll be all friendly with you and nice with you. Because if you can't handle the truth, there's no way you can handle these markets. Because it'll slap you harder than anything that I can say to you. I may be very friendly and nice on here, but when it comes down to me getting you results, I'm like, stop bullshitting around. Where's your discipline? Where's your patience? And that's the type of coach I am, because I want you to get results. So I'm hard with you. The reason I'm hard with you is because I don't want you to be taking those bullshit trades, which is 70% of your problem anyway. And even if you just traded less but waited for those good trades, you know, be so far ahead. Anyway, so I'm finishing up, guys, right now. I'm sweating like a bitch right now. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like these sessions and you enjoyed this. And productivity is knowing when to wait too. Yeah, I think it's all based on the chart. The chart, the chart, the chart, the chart. The chart's the truth. And the better you can read the chart, the better trader you'll be. So, in any event, guys, I'm finished up here. Please, guys, be consistent, be disciplined, be patient for the next 12 months. You're going to explode in your trading productivity if you do that. Stop taking these bullshit trades because you think, hope, or fear what's going to happen. I repeat to you once again, trading, successful trading is all about responding to what the market is telling you right now. Unsuccessful traders try to get in predicting what the market is going to tell you. I'll speak to you guys soon.